All right, you guys, with the launch of Graveyard 4x4, we are here in partnership with AWE to go through and put an exhaust on this beautiful Raptor R today. We're gonna show you guys the before clips, the after clips, and show you guys that AWE is the best exhaust for your Raptor, best sounding, best performing, and it is going to absolutely fit amazing. So we're gonna jump into that. I do wanna make it very clear that if your Raptor R already has the exhaust rattle from the valves, the AWE or an aftermarket exhaust in general will not fix that. So keep in mind that when you are putting this exhaust on your car or any exhaust on your Raptor R, you will still retain that rattle if you have it. So let's jump into the sound clip, show you guys what this is gonna sound before, after, and make you guys want a Raptor R exhaust from AWE.
Wait, what?
We're locked.
Okay. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing an AWE tuning exhaust on this Raptor R. That's way taller than me. I already took the spare tire off. We're just going to jump right into it. No need to show everything. Just kidding. Get B-roll. All right, like I said, we already got the spare tire off out of our way. You will need it out of the way to get these tailpipe sections out. But we're gonna start from the back and work our way forward, as a lot of this stuff does need to slide off as one piece at a time. Now through magic, I already loosened everything, so this will go pretty fast. So I'm gonna take off the nuts for the tips that hold the mount on both sides. And just two 10 mils. Then we're gonna take out this mount as well. These tips suck to get out. They're so long. What I like to do is get right here, the pry bar, lift it up and just pry against the elbow there. Being short really sucks sometimes. You just gotta get it spread open enough to start moving back. You might want to scoot back. There we go. It's not easy. Dude, grow some inches or something.
Ford really doesn't want these to come off, huh?
I'm going down with you. If this truck comes down, it's on both of us. You got to get it past the alignment pin, and then you can like spin it. Actually.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's not far.
Right up here, you'll have the valves that you'll just unplug on both sides.
Like a humpback right here, dude. Can you go up a little bit?
No.
Damn.
You're
on your tippy toes.
I'm not on my tippy toes. Back there, I was. This second part sucks. Yeah, it sucks. But it should be a little bit easier. A little bit. Jonah loves that car. Be ready. And I gotta get this one out too. I need some side to side action.
No, I don't have any. Pull. You said the side. Well, helicopter. Ah!
Oh, sorry.
Look, you gotta go up.
I can't go up. Literally on the lift, cannot go up. Oh yeah, we're almost there.
Are we? Feels like we're not. Feels like we're not even close. There we are. Yeah, we're pretty close. Ow, my head. I got bumped on my knee.
It's okay. You're not losing any more brain cells.
There it is, big old valves. Now the fun part of getting a new one in. This is AWE in comparison to the OEM. I think it might be a little louder. Maybe. Potentially. That's how this V8's gonna sound. Look at him. This is huge. Just the tip. Dude, let me be a kid. Oh, I ripped my glove. Shiznit biscuit. All right.
Alright, you're gonna start with the X pipe.
Got the X pipe going.
Make sure you have a clamp on there.
And don't forget your clamps.
OEM.
Push. You know what's crazy is we got to replace the trombone section, which means we got to do this all over again.
You just gotta wiggle it, work it. Wiggle, work it. It'll go on. Fucking A, man. How do you make it so hard? All right, you'll have two valve sections, one that's actually a valve and one that's a dummy valve. You'll have to put the valve onto the pipe for the dummy one. The dummy one goes on the driver's side and the real one goes on the passenger. And then there is harness extensions inside the box that you'll plug into the OEM into those valves. Later, when the rest of the exhaust is on, I'll put the provided zip ties on and mount the harness out of the way. You'll take G69 and that'll go on the passenger side. then G68 will go on the passenger or driver side. All right, for the muffler, you'll see that this passenger side is the straight through side where that valve is, and then you have the muffled side on the driver. Then G69 will go on the passenger side. Tips on and then tweak all the pipes to make sure they're straight and even. Front to the back tightening clamps.
All right, you guys, now that we got the AWE SwitchPath on this Raptor R, you can see what it sounds like, and don't take it from me, just buy one and install it. Look at the sound clips, it sounds so amazing. So if you're looking to unleash the beast of your Raptor R, pick up an AWE exhaust. You can contact us at Graveyard Performance and we can get you set up with the best deal and shipping rates on these exhausts. We've got free shipping on AWE all the time, so we can take care of you and get you these exhausts in just a couple of days. Make sure you guys like, follow, subscribe. Check back in a couple weeks because we're going to be getting my Raptor installed with the same exhaust, and we'll see what it does on that EcoBoost. I appreciate you guys for watching, and as usual, thank you AWE for supplying the best exhausts on the market for everything at this point. Make sure you guys let us know what you need and what do you think of this exhaust.